Your plants can't talk, but now they can alert you. Introducing our Smart Plant Care System, an innovative IoT solution designed to monitor and protect your plants from anywhere you are. This powerful system ensures your green companions always thrive. At its heart, a Raspberry Pi connects to essential sensors for temperature, soil moisture, and light intensity. These continuously collect vital data, ensuring ideal growing conditions. If anything is amiss, real-time alerts are sent directly to your Telegram, notifying all registered users instantly. Our system uses machine learning and historical data to predict potential plant stress before it becomes critical. Manage everything effortlessly with our ThingSpeak and intuitive Telegram bot. Check your plant's status, manage alerts, and even share access with family. Stay close to your plant, even when you're away. Predict, protect, and care together.